So we're back with a brand new product. This is the BSCPAM 40-ounce resin cure kit. Let's open this up and check out what comes inside. We've got some colors for your resin that you can dye it. And then we've got the actual resin. Now it does not come with like additional little mixing cups. You will have to get those separately or just use something disposable that you're comfortable with at your home. These are the actual ones. This is the B, this is the A. You just mix it in a 1-to-1 ratio. They focus on things like self-leveling, self-drazing, it's yellow resistant, super glossy, crystal clear, and bubble free. So it'll remove the bubbling. So you can kind of see there how it just kind of rolls, how there's no bubbles in the actual bottles. It's pretty cool. So we need to take this and build an actual project so you can see what it looks like from start to finish. Well, that's why I picked up this. This is a nice little mold that you can use. Let me open this and show you what this is. This is kind of cool. So you've got your multiple different mold types here, little pins there. Then you've got the actual top of the treasure chest here. And then you got a little door here you can install to make sure that it gets fully filled properly. That's cool. They even give you some hinges here. And then this is the tray for the bottom. So you fill this in here, you'd fill this in and this piece here. And I don't specifically know what these pin pieces here are for, but they look pretty cool. But yeah, so we're gonna take this and we're actually gonna make enough to cast a little treasure chest. We'll be right back. So for the purposes of mixing up the resin, we wanted to make sure we had the exact measurement. So we picked up these really cool silicone measuring cups. They go up to 100 milliliters on these, and then this larger one will go up to about 250 milliliters. They've also got pour spouts, so it'll be really easy to pour them in and then to pour them into our molds with this one here. So what we're gonna do is let's take this, we have to put equal parts of both. So hopefully you guys found that interesting and you pick it up for yourself, and hopefully we will see you guys next time. Wasn't that treasure chest cool?